To use a notebook file or any Jupyter file into your dashboard and get the output of any Python or R script, click on the notebook from the list of widgets, and here we can give the title to that, sales forecast, and from the predictive model you can select any Jupyter file, and from that you can select the code. So for an example, we can select code number 25, and from here we can control the input and output. So if I click on the hide output, the output will be hidden, and if I click on uncheck this input, I can see the input code as well. Save and exit, and here is our sales forecast ready available.